Moon. Have you ever wondered why the moon is so important? You may think that it's just a big rock floating in the sky. But the moon has a huge impact on our planet and its inhabitants. In this video, we'll explore an exciting new discovery in the world of space exploration: the presence of water on the surface of the moon. But how is this possible? After all, the moon is known for its dry, dusty surface and lack of atmosphere. It's been long believed that the moon is essentially a barren, lifeless rock floating in space. Well, it turns out that the solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun, is actually creating water on the moon. This discovery has huge implications for the future of space exploration and the possibility of establishing a sustained human presence on the moon. So, how does this work? The solar wind consists of high-energy particles, including protons and electrons, that are constantly being spewed out from the sun's surface. These particles travel through space at high speeds and can impact the surfaces of celestial bodies, such as planets and moons. When the solar wind hits the moon, it causes the oxygen atoms in the moon's surface to become charged or ionized. These charged oxygen atoms can then react with hydrogen atoms in the solar wind to form water molecules. This process is known as solar wind hydrogen dissociation, and it has been observed on other celestial bodies, such as Mars and comets. However, it was previously thought that the moon's surface was too dry and rocky for this process to occur. But recent research has shown that the moon's surface is actually much more water-rich than we previously thought. In 2009, the Lunar Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, LCROSS, mission detected water ice in the permanently shadowed craters at the moon's poles. And in 2018, the Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, SOFIA, detected water molecules on the sunlit parts of the moon's surface. These findings suggest that the solar wind is not only creating water on the moon, but it is also helping to distribute it across the surface. This is important because it means that water, a vital resource for human survival, could potentially be found anywhere on the moon, not just in the shadowed areas at the poles. But the presence of water on the moon isn't the only exciting discovery. The moon's surface also contains other volatile compounds, such as methane and ammonia, which could potentially be used as resources for future lunar missions. The idea of establishing a human settlement on the moon may seem like science fiction, but with these recent discoveries, it's becoming more and more of a realistic possibility. A sustained human presence on the moon would not only allow us to further explore and study this fascinating celestial body, but it could also serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. The discovery of water on the moon's surface has opened up a whole new world of possibilities for space exploration. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for humanity's journey into the great unknown. Space exploration and observation of the universe beyond Earth is a field that has captivated the human imagination for centuries, and it has made countless discoveries and technological advancements possible. One of the main goals of space exploration is to better understand our place in the universe and the nature of the celestial bodies and phenomena that exist beyond Earth. This includes studying planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects in our solar system, as well as exploring the vast expanse of interstellar space. Space exploration has also led to significant technological advancements, such as the development of satellites, which have revolutionized communication and navigation on Earth. It has also given us a greater understanding of the effects of microgravity on the human body, which is essential for the development of long-term space travel. One of the most tantalizing prospects of space exploration is the possibility of finding life beyond Earth. While there is no definitive evidence that extraterrestrial life exists, there are many places in the universe where conditions may be favorable for life to arise and evolve. For example, scientists have discovered a number of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, that may have conditions similar to those on Earth and could potentially support life. In addition, there are several places in our own solar system that may harbor the building blocks of life, such as the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, which are thought to have liquid water beneath their surfaces. Space exploration has come a long way since the first human-made object, the Sputnik satellite, was launched into orbit in 1957. Today, we have a number of spacecraft and telescopes dedicated to studying the universe and searching for signs of life beyond Earth. There is still so much we don't know about the universe and what lies beyond our planet, and space exploration will continue to play a crucial role in unlocking its secrets. The potential for new discoveries and technological advancements is truly limitless, and the possibilities for the future of space exploration are exciting to consider. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science and space content. We'll see you in the next one.